Okay, hi. My name is Fibal bin Shefa. My metric number is 10KM21F1061. And this is my friend.
My name is Muhammad Sulaiman bin Muhammad Tamizi. My metric number is 10DKM 31F1049.
Alright. Today, so the first step is going to put our flash on because we want to be seen by everyone on the road. We were going to make sure that our car in parking position. Then we're going to leave our handbrake because we want the car to move while we changing the tire. It's very important. Going to our tongue and going to remove the cover. Let's get started. We start to remove here and unscrew, and now we remove our tire, and then we place the triangle.
Then before we install our jack, we're gonna make sure to untie it in a bit our screw.
And we can start to jack our car.
over here, I left approximately between tire and floor almost half of inch. Okay, now you can see when you untie the screw earlier, it make it easy to unrelease the tire. Here we go, guys. Just now we only need to pull out the tire and change with the new one. Okay, first we will put the tire and put a first nut. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we tighten a bit. For the important things, once you release the jack, you must tighten the screw for not be able the car have an incident. That's all from us.
Five precaution and safety. First, turn on the emergency light and place the warning triangle or warning triangle kit at least 45 meters from the rear of the vehicle. Second, before changing the tire, make sure the car is parked on a slope and stable area. Third, do not jack your car too high to avoid the risk of the car falling or slipping. 4. Stay on the lug ledge with your foot to ensure a strong and secure grip on the screw. 5. Also be diligent to check the tire yourself or at the workshop every few months according to the recommended time. Remember, it is for your safety and that of other road users. That's all for me, Firdaus bin Sharifah, Technical M21F1061.